So today I'm going to challenge myself to design a poster using only 3 colors. That's it. No gradients, no textures, just creativity. And if you're new here, my name is Dooley. I'm a graphic designer and a self-taught calligrapher. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to show you the colors, and you know how I said 3 colors? I believe I'm going to push it to one more and do 4 colors. This is one of my favorite websites I use to get color palettes, and I want to get one that really vibes with these 2 sketches. In fact, let's just do random. Different shades of green. I'm gonna go with this one here. All right, so you saw my color palette. Now, let's get to completing this. Well, as you see it right here on the screen, this is the completed piece. I used 3 colors and I feel like I did a very good job, and it turned out very, very well. And let me know what you think about the piece. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below, and I'll see you all in the next video.